When I was a young boy in the kitchens of the Hotel St. George, I had one dream, one very simple dream, and that was to be a saucier, to make the sauces, to work on the stove. It took me many years to be in that position, but when I found myself in that position, it was amazing. Feeling the warmth on my face, working it like a piano, and that's the beauty of gas. That's the beauty of a solid top. You've got your hot spots in the middle, then it just fades away, and so you can cook. And that's why they call it the piano. The problem with electricity, you've got one spot, warm or hot. It's as simple as that. And when you turn it off, the kitchen goes cold. The beauty of a gas stove, it keeps the kitchen warm. And that's why we serve warm food. That's why chefs shout, so food's served hot, not because they want to shout. And let me say one last thing. How do you flambe without a flame?